Okay students, now let us start with the examples of Osteichthyes or bony fishes. Let us skim through the key features of bony fishes. These are either marine or freshwater fishes. They have a bony endoskeleton. The mouth position is terminal, anterior. They have 4 gill slits covered by an operculum. They have the presence of a swim bladder, also called the air bladder. They have the presence of Weberian ossicles. Skin is covered by scales. Different types of scales are present in different species like Cycloid scales, Ctenoid scales and Ganoid scales. Tail is Homocercal in them. In case of cartilaginous fishes, it was heterocercal. They are oviparous usually. Some forms may be ovoviviparous and viviparous as well. Fertilization is external and there is direct development. Now let us move on to the examples of bony fishes. The first one, Rohu. Scientific name is Labeo rohita. This one is a freshwater fish. It is one of the major Indian carp. What does it mean, major Indian carp? So there is this family under Class Osteichthyes. All the fishes that fall under this family, they are called as carps. One of the fish that falls under this family is Rohu. There's another called Catla. Likewise, there are minor Indian carps as well. It is edible. Next example, Catla. Scientific name is Catla. Exact same features for Catla as well. It's a freshwater fish. Major Indian carp. It is edible and it's a highly cultured fish. Even Rohu is a cultured fish. Both these examples are important examples. Third example, eel. Scientific name is Anguilla. It's called as thigur in Marathi. Slimy, elongated, snake-like bodies they have. They are also eaten. They are freshwater fishes. I don't eat them. Some people do. So let's try. These are freshwater fishes. They are well known for their Catadromous migration. Catadromous migration. You must be knowing about anadromous migration that was seen in case of Petromyzon. What was happening in anadromous migration? The Petromyzon lives in the sea and it was moving upstream towards the river and laying eggs over there, and after that it dies, and the larvae, after spending a time of 5 to 7 years in the rivers, then it comes back to the ocean to live as parasites onto the larger species of fish, etc. over there. So that was anadromous migration. It was moving upstream. Now we are looking at catadromous migration. What is catadromous migration? The eel lives in fresh water. It moves downstream towards the ocean. It lays eggs in the ocean and then it dies. The larvae then, after spending a few years in the ocean, come back towards the river again. So how did they migrate? They migrated downstream, isn't it? Downstream. Catadromous migration. Below. Migrate from a river to ocean to spawn eggs, after which they will die. Adults die after spawning because it's a very energetically expensive process, migration and spawning eggs. Next example is Hilsa. Elisha. This one is a marine fish and this one is known for its anadromous migration. Okay, remember both these examples for their migration. This is important for AIMS point of view. Eel Hilsa migrate from sea to river to lay eggs. Next example is sardines. Sardinella. These are also commonly called as salmon. This is a marine fish and it is edible. Delicacy. Next example is of hippocampus. Common name is seahorse. You must have heard of the seahorse. How it is upright. Its body is not covered by scales. It's instead covered by bony plates which are dermal in origin, which acts like its exoskeleton. It also has a bony endoskeleton. It only has pectoral fins. Pelvic fins are absent. Its tail is a prehensile type of tail with which it can curl around weeds and all, which enables it to remain in one place and not get carried away. Because of the presence of its bony plates, which acts as its armor, it is not able to become very flexible in its movement, so it does not swim a lot. So it likes to stay in one place using its prehensile tail. The males are known to have a brood pouch, okay, like how the female kangaroo has, in which the baby develops. Just like them, the males in the seahorses have a brood pouch in which the female lays the eggs. The young ones are taken care of by the male only. Okay, so parental care is given by the males. Body is covered by bony plates of dermal origin. There are no scales. There is a male brood pouch. Female lays eggs in pouch. Parental care given by male, and it has the prehensile tail. Prehensile tail means grasping tail. It uses it for coils around weeds to stabilize, to avoid being carried away by water. I will post a video of mine down in the description. Please watch that video. Let me know which different fishes you were able to identify from them. Hippocampus is an important example from NCERT. Next example that we are looking at is Protoperus, African lungfish, an important example. What is meant by a lungfish? Gills are present in the young stages, but later when the fish becomes older, it will develop lungs, okay, and it will be able to breathe outside water for long periods of time. In fact, its habitat is very muddy kind of habitats. Since it has the lungs, it is able to breathe. In fact, it is said to be like a connecting link between the bony fishes and the amphibians, okay. This is from where the fishes were able to come out of the water and they were able to develop a lifestyle of being able to live on land as well as in water. So these fishes have lungs present, gills present in early stages, can survive in muddy habitats during droughts, and they are also known to be cannibals, okay. They practice cannibalism when there is a drought-like condition, when food resources are scarce, when many lungfishes are concentrated in one place. The stronger lungfishes will just attack and kill the smaller ones and eat them up. Connecting link between bony fishes and amphibians. Bony fish characters that they will show is the presence of fins, they have presence of scales, then they have the lateral line organs, okay, and amphibian-like features that they show is presence of lungs, internal nares, okay, and the presence of a three-chambered heart. This is a clear indicator that they are a connecting link because the amphibians have a three-chambered heart. They are known to show estivation. Estivation means summer sleep. Next example, Exocetus. Exocetus, the flying fish. It is an important example. Its pectoral fins are modified into large wing-like structures and it is known to leap out of water and fly like a bird for considerable duration before it comes back into water again. Air provides very less resistance compared to water, so it is able to cover greater speeds in less time. Pectoral fins are modified into wing-like structures. Beta and Pterophyllum. Pterophyllum, also called as the angelfish. Both these fishes are aquarium fishes, and I will not show you the pictures of both these. They are both very beautiful fishes, important examples from NCERT. So I want you to look up the pictures of both these and why they are kept in the aquarium. You must know, and whether or not you have seen them in real life. There is one more example that we will do, the last example, that is Gambusia. Gambusia fish is a small fish that is introduced in water bodies to eat the mosquito larvae, okay, and keep the mosquito population in check. That is its whole and sole purpose. It's a mosquito larvae feeder. It's used for biological control of mosquitoes. So with that, we have completed with the examples of bony fishes. And with that, we have completed with the Superclass Pisces. In the next lecture, we will move on to the next superclass, that is Superclass Tetrapoda, under which we will be doing the first class, that is class Amphibia. In the name of Lord Mahadev, please subscribe.